Alright, now let's zoom in on what makes market sizing in Web3 uniquely tricky and uniquely powerful. Unlike Web2, Web3 markets are often token-driven, open source by default, and shaped by incentives, not just demand. So, if you are applying the TAM, SAM, SOM framework to a Web3 startup, here are three key things to keep in mind. First, token-incentivized markets. In Web3, users often don't just use a product, they earn from it. That includes staking rewards, airdrops, yield farming, referral incentives, and creator royalties or user mining programs. These incentives expand what you consider part of your market. For example, if you're building an analytic tool for DeFi farmers, your TAM isn't just existing users. It's anyone attracted by the rewards who may need tools to optimize the performance. But a word of caution, not all token activity equals sustainable demand. Make sure you distinguish between mercenary behavior and sticky user cases. Next, infrastructure layers. A massive part of Web3 value is being created beneath the surface, in infra. That includes RPC providers and node operators, indexing tools like the graph, rollups, bridges, sequencers, and oracles. If you're building anything that touches core infra, whether it's monitoring tools, dashboards, or dev tooling, you can size your market by looking at the number of apps being deployed on-chain, monthly active developers, infra protocol revenue like Alchemy and QuickNode. These users may not be visible to the average retail participant, but they often have higher budgets and clear needs, and also do use and crossover markets. Another Web3 superpower is interoperability with Web2. More and more tools are blending the two worlds. Shopify merchants integrating NFT, fintech apps adding USDC rails, Web2 communities using on-chain rewards. These are your dual-use markets, and they can significantly expand your SAM, especially if you are building onboarding tools, fiat ramps, or user-friendly wallets. For example, if you're building a CRM for Web3 native brands, you might also be able to sell into Web2 creator exploring NFTs, making your real SAM bigger than it seems. If you want to build something meaningful in Web3, you need more than just a cool idea. You need to understand the size, shape, and the speed of the market that you are stepping into. This session wasn't just about numbers, it was about focus, knowing where you play and what your winning actually looks like.